Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this ZTE. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then choose System and Update. From here you need to select Languages and Input and tap on Current Keyboard. Make sure that Gboard is on and then tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Now you need to select Gboard over here and finally select Theme. From here you can scroll down and choose Show More to see all available ones. Then click on the best theme for you. Manage keyborders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. As you can see when I go back, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and customize your theme by choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on those two lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, like Downloads. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Then choose Done, manage keyborders and click on Apply. If you wish to make some changes, you can edit your keyboard by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon next to Bin. Now make your changes and tap on Apply one more time. As you can see when I go back this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within the match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!